ProSource channel. My name's Ryan. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about our year-end blowout sale that we have coming up through the month of November and December. Certain of our vendors have partnered with us to bring you even further savings on select products. So first I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the offerings from Emser Tile. Emser has been around for about 50 years now, just over, so they've been in the business for a long time, great longevity, and they really have a hand in really everything from your interiors to your exterior finishes. One of the products that they're going to be bringing us for this sale is a couple of their wood look tiles. Wood looks have definitely kind of saturated the market. Great option for somebody that wants the look and potentially the feel of wood without having to maintain it or really baby it like you would anything that's a natural product. The offerings that you can see here, we have a tile that is rectified, we have a non-rectified, and then we also have this nice little 6x24. I love these larger format planks because they're great for main living areas, running them throughout the main house. You can run them into bathrooms as well. I'm currently working on a project where they love that wood look tile, so we're putting it on the floor with a different coordinating wood look on the walls, kind of keeping it all cohesive and a little bit more of that country feel. So like I mentioned, we've got a couple different options for the sale coming up. The first one is this nice tile here called Legacy. It's a rectified tile, and rectified, just to educate a little bit, means that your lines at the end of the tile are straight. That means your gruff joints can get a little bit closer, kind of mimicking a little bit more of that real wood feel. We've also got these nice 9x48s. These are not rectified, but you still get that beautiful oversized look. This is great for a main floor, just like I mentioned, or really anywhere where you wanted to maybe a feature wall or give yourself kind of that grand feel of wood. We also have these little 6x24s. Now these I love for those smaller areas, bathrooms, bedrooms even, and they're really great because they're perfect for more of that pattern or an inlay. If you want to format it in a herringbone pattern or put it in a little bit more of a vertical format as opposed to that standard horizontal, but just a good way to kind of switch things up and again, give yourself that feel and the look of wood without any maintenance, because these products are all porcelain. So with the porcelain, no sealing, no worrying about the longevity. You can clean it with pretty much anything and move on. So we're really excited that Emser has brought this to the table, and we're very excited to be able to share this with you. We look forward to seeing you during the month of November and December for our upcoming sale. Please make sure that you absolutely get with your account managers. They'd be happy to answer any and all questions, help you out with any design plan that you also have coming up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We look forward to seeing you soon.